first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go to Discord. Hey Cortana, open Discord. Oh, thank you, Cortana. Very helpful. Okay, that's interesting. So I'm going to go here, and I'm going to go to Unity, and I'm making stuff. Whoops, I didn't mean to post that. That's my live dashboard link. Let's go copy video URL. And then I'm going to go to here. I can't promote this channel. I can go to here, and I can go. It's programming. Copy code Unity. Boom. Okay. So now I got this working, and I got 0 people watching so far, but they might go up. Okay. So today I am working on this game I've been working on for the past few days. And I'll show you what the introduction of the game looks like. It's going to be a puzzle-based grid game. Right now I'm going to work on the options menu. But before I do that, I'm going to show you how this game looks when it starts up. Wait, that's a problem. I gotta somehow adjust this so it is better. Maybe I can scale that down a little bit. There we go. Yeah, I need to make sure it works for all aspect ratios, which is a challenge to say the least. I'm gonna do standalone. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna go to my desktop, and I'm gonna open alpha. This should be alpha 0.5. Right here. And I can run right here. So basically it has actually I'll show you this really quick. I made a configuration file system, so I can just put settings in here and I can edit the settings from the get-go. But for now it's just using default stuff, besides the console, which I want to be enabled so I can use it. Then I'm going to click play. Yeah, that's pretty nice, isn't it? Sorry for the weird noises from my mic. It's a really bad mic and I can't afford a new one. But anyways, yes, if you look you can see this is a fancy screen. I press enter. Fades out, fades in. But the really cool thing I did, you press escape and it goes back. But the really cool thing I did was if you press the tilde key, it opens this console I made. And I can click here, I can copy and paste. I copy things by clicking on them, I can paste it in. I can also click here debug button, and then this debug tools come up. I can even close the console and they're still here. There's the close button. And I can type in commands, like I can go echo hello, and it says hello. I can say help. The help menu comes up. Tells you all the commands. Let's try this one. Camera background color RGB. Camera background color RGB 100. Now it's red. Look at that. Isn't that cool? So I did a lot of work here so far. The close button doesn't work, so I have to close it like this. Yeah, that's a good start, I think. So now I'm gonna go back to the main menu. I'm going to start coding some things in the main menu. I think actually what I need to do is I need to make a close button work, so I can quit the game. I gotta be smart to do that next. So I'm gonna go here. See, I have all these special scripts that do different things, like fade out effects, fade in effects, split. They're just like little scripts I can call, and I can put scripts on this script, so it splits into multiple scripts. It's just something I designed. It's kind of like tweening, I guess you could say. It's just an easy way of adding effects like fading in and fading out and moving around on the screen and the typewriter effect, all that stuff. I made little scripts for that, and I can just put in what I wanted to do the effect on, and like the speed I want the effect to occur, and stuff like that. I designed these scripts all by myself. They're pretty nice. I could even put in a script, a reference to another script, and when this script is done executing, it will call the next script. Which is really cool. So I'm going to go ahead and go to the main menu handler script, right click and click edit. This is what handles the main menu of the game. Anyway, if it's load. Yeah, by the way, I'm not going to stream the entirety of this game development because it's going to be closed source, most of it, but I mean, I'm okay with giving away like the main menu stuff, how I did that. I think it's fine. So, besides, most of this main menu stuff is probably going to be changed later on anyways. Okay, so I'm going to go here, and I'm going to add a public button, quit button. Whoops, I did not mean to do that. What the heck? I need to use UI. So using Unity Engine.UI. There you go, public button, quit. And then on awake, I can create a new function down here first. I'm going to go public, private, void, quit. No, quit. Let's go application dot quit. Okay, that's all it's gonna do. And then I can go up here and I can make it private void awake. And then I can let's make space there so it's nicer. Then I'm going to go quit dot on click dot add listener. This is not a way people typically do this, but this is how you can do it just with code. And I'm going to go here and I'm going to go delegate, and the delegate is going to be quit. I can end this. So when it's going to have a listener for the onClick event, and when the onClick occurs, it's going to use the delegate, and in the delegate is just a quit function. So it's going to call the quit function when the button's clicked. That's what it does. So now all I have to do is go to my main menu. Now let's actually get rid of this options menu because I don't need it there. Okay, and I'm going to go click here, and I'm going to go down to the main menu event script so it's visible, and I'm going to drag the quit button onto here. So now I have to restart the game from the introduction because otherwise we'll have no reference exceptions because there's stuff that is required that was only in this scene. Okay. So if I click quit, it's going to quit. For some reason I can't click anything. I don't know why. There seems to be some sort of bug. And for some reason this press enter is not fading in like it's supposed to. Okay, so I'm gonna go back here. Okay, so I'm gonna go to my splash screen. me drag this up. I don't know if that does anything. No, it didn't do anything. Okay, why is that enter messed up? Okay, it's because I had to focus on start on that. I don't want it to be set up on start. That makes sense. Okay, let's try this again. Sorry, that's just scripting things on how these little mini scripts I made work. So evoke on start just basically causes it to be set up on start, and for some reason I can't click these buttons. That's a problem. Let's try adding an event handler. It did not do anything. Wait, where's event system? Whatever. Okay. So I gotta figure this out. So this is working fine. When I get over to here, these buttons don't want to work. I don't see any errors. There's no errors, just all the fading in and fading out of all the objects. Okay, so I need to figure out why it's doing that, because that's a very big problem, that the buttons don't want to work. And there's many reasons why that could be happening. Let's put the order to be higher. Let's just try this. Let's try 50. It's going to give me errors because I didn't start from the introduction, but it should be fine for what I'm doing. Actually, no, it won't be fine because I can't get out of the splash screen and also search the introduction. It's kind of annoying. Well, that fixed it. Fixed the problem. It's very simple. But that's the problem. If I press escape while I have the console open, let's go to main menu. Console handler. This is my developer console. Just ignore all this. Okay, so I'm gonna go. I'm gonna go to my open command. Is active equals true. Okay, that's fine. I don't want to show you too much of the code because it is kind of something I don't want people having. that would, I don't know. I mean, this game is going to be free. That's the main goal I have right now. I might change that, but the main idea is the game's going to be free right now. So maybe I'll make it be open source too. I don't know. I don't know if I want that or not though. Because once I make it open source, I can never go back. And so I haven't decided yet if I'm going to do that or not. So I don't really want to give away all of the sources yet. Okay, so I'm going to go to the options menu. I'm going to enable this. So the plan right now, I'm going to go and make the aspect be 5004, so it's really small. And I'm going to go ahead and make the options menu. So I'm going to make an entire menu in Unity. In order to do this, I have to make a bunch of stuff. So first thing, I'm going to go UI. I already have the canvas right here. Let's call this a canvas. I'm just going to go UI. Let's add text. This text is going to say options menu. If you haven't guessed already, this is going to be the title of our menu. And I'm just going to go make it bigger, make this a little bigger. Actually, let's just do best fit. Like this, and then let's do it from the top. Anchor to the top. Should be fine, and I'm going to click right here, and I'm going to select rear prime. Maybe I should do game over. Yeah, I'll do game over. Options menu. That's the font I'm going to use, and I'm going to go here and make this be white so it stands out. Okay, I think that's great, but I'm also going to center it and center it like that. Okay, so there's the title of my options menu, pretty simple. Now, I need to make a panel, because I'm going to start splitting up this whole menu into a bunch of stuff. So first thing to do is make a panel. I already have a panel right here. Panel with a panel. I don't even know what that's for. I'm just going to select this panel, and I'm going to scale it down. Oh, the whole thing is a panel. That's weird. Whatever. I'm going to leave that then. And then I'm going to drag this onto here. This is on this panel. I'm going to go create UI panel. So the panel on the panel. I'm going to center it. Oh, because that's a vertical layout group. That's right. Yeah, it's going to do some weird things. So I'm just going to go upper center. And I'm going to grab this. And I can't really see this. I think it's behind the red, which is really weird. Okay, let's try running this really quick. That didn't fix it. Okay, that's really bizarre. Why is this behind that? See, if I put this out here, you can probably see it, right? Let's grab this tool. I don't see anything. Okay, that's really weird. Why don't I see anything? Let's make the alpha. That doesn't change anything. It's still not really visible. I can't see this panel, and that's really weird. Oh yeah, it's being squished into this little corner right here. If I zoom all the way in, I'll be able to see it. Yeah, it's right there. It's in the corner. It's just being squished in there. That's annoying. Okay, so I'm gonna go, or maybe this is it right here. Yeah, it's right there. It's just squished in that little shape. So I'm gonna go and add a layout element. I'm gonna make them. Okay, I'm gonna go back to panel, and I'm going to go control child size and child height. Width is fine, and I'm going to make there be padding on the left and right there at 32. Top and bottom. Spacing is going to be 32 as well. So now I'm going to go to the panel, and I'm going to go min height. I'm just going to make it be a lot bigger. That's good. That's really good. But actually, I think I'm going to go back to this panel, and I'm going to make the min height be smaller. So it's kind of like this. Then I'm going to go to this panel, I'm going to add another UI panel. Of course, I need to add a layout element to this as well. Let's get rid of this. Make it entirely opaque so I can see better. And I'm going to grab this and just kind of go down like that much. You'll see what I'm doing in a minute. And then I'm going to make a third panel. In fact, I'm just going to copy this. I'm going to duplicate it at the bottom. This middle panel I'm going to make smaller. So it looks like that. Then I'm actually going to go back up to this panel, and I'm going to decrease the spacing to be about 8. That should be 32. The spacing should be 8. Yeah, that's much better. And then I can go here and make this one bigger. I might customize that with the script later so that I can make it scale. That's okay. Alright. That's how I want it to be. So then I can go to this panel, and this will be top bar. Pressing F2 on my keyboard to rename it really quick. Top bar. This will be options. This will be bottom bar. So on the bottom bar, I'm going to make this actually be transparent. And I'm going to add a horizontal layout group. It's going to arrange it to the upper right. And I'm going to add a button to this. This button is going to have a layout element. Why is it doing this? Okay. Okay, wait a minute. I'm going to stop this. Sometimes it fixes bugs. No,
that's not a bug. Okay, that's annoying. This is so tricky. It's kind of me messing around with this, figuring out how it works, because I'm a little confused. Let's grab the scaling tool. Scale this down. Okay, I gotta figure out what it's doing here. I'm gonna go back to before I added the button. That's how I want it to be. I just want the button to kind of fit on that bar. Yeah, that is not what I want. Why is it getting bigger whenever I add a button? Oh, content size fitter. Yeah, undo. No, that's gonna go on this. Sorry, content size fitter. Yeah, that doesn't want me right. I did that. No. Okay, so I need to go content size fitter. This is a little confusing. I'm sorry. I'm trying to figure out how to do this right. Okay, and then I'm gonna go add UI button. This is just me messing around. So this is probably not a very good stream. I'm just trying to get this working right. And then this should be preferred height. Oh, that's the problem. This force shall expand. That was really stupid. Okay. Okay, now I figured out why I was doing that. And mid height of that is going to be mid height of this. So I'm going to go here, and min height is going to be like that. Okay. Well, that's that. Before we width is going to be about 200. And then the flexible width and width. So that's good, and then I'm going to go here, and I'm going to go upper right. And if this button, I still don't understand quite how that works, but I just kind of tinker with it until I get the look I want. That's good enough. So for this button, I'm going to call it save. Should it be save or should it just cancel? Yeah, this would be save. Yeah, put an extra line down here, that's not good. And the font is going to be game over. Now it's going to be Query Prime. A little bigger, and then I'm just gonna rename this button to be save so I can see easier in the hierarchy. I'm gonna go duplicate. This is gonna be apply, duplicate, and then this is gonna be cancel. Actually, you know what? Back to the save button. I'm going to get rid of preferred width. Min width. No, I need min width 200. Now I'll get rid of that, and I'll go to the text. And I'm going to go to best fit. Yeah. And then I'll go back here. Shall expand width. I'm actually going to do that, so I can go. Yeah, I'm not going to force shall expand height because that would just screw it up. But I want the bottom bar height. That's fine. So about 40. That's a good number, good round number, 40. And let's just put 40. And then I'm going to duplicate this. It took me a while to figure out how I'm actually going to do this. And then this is going to be apply. This is going to be cancel. So let's go to apply, change the text to be apply. Now let's go to cancel. Change the text to be cancel. Oh, whoa, this should be safe. This should be safe. And this one should be cancel. Okay, so that's